What's up, y'all? It's your girl Taliqua, also known as Pretty Percent. That's Pretty with a percent sign. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll know the next time I post up videos. Let's go ahead and tell you a little story about why I'm going to show you about doing my eyebrows. Okay, every day when I go to work or if I go to the stores, anywhere I go, people always ask me, girl, who do your eyebrows? They are fine. You know, it's men and women that ask me. So I tell them, I do my eyebrows, girl. And then they say, are you for real, girl? I'm like, yes. So then they say, well, can you do mine? I'm like, you know what? I am not a professional makeup artist, but I'm going to teach you how to do your eyebrows because I'm not going to be doing your own eyebrows. Here are the things you will need. You're going to need primer. I use baby skin. It's really good, especially if your pores are open. You can use this. It closes your pores up. My pores stay open for some reason, you know. Make sure you wash your face and everything. Use a toner. I use With Hazel for my toner also. Okay, then you're going to need a dark brown eye pencil. I use the one that you can sharpen. It has a little sharpener on it. Then I use a little brush. Sometimes you can get the ones that come with it on the end. Then you're gonna need concealer. Oopsie. I use LA Girl. This color is medium beige. My skin tone is kind of like a little orange. So this medium beige is lighter than my skin, and that's what you need. You're gonna need 2 Q-tips, a sponge. Sponge is your best friend. And I use a little foundation. This is the kind that I use. You don't have to use foundation. That's just something that's added in. Also, you're gonna need a cup of coffee. Okay, no, you're not gonna need that. That's just for people in the mornings. I do this every morning. Now, it only takes me 5 minutes to do my eyebrows, but today's gonna take a little longer because I'm teaching you. All right, let's get right into it. First, you're gonna want to draw it on. I'm gonna do the left one first. I draw it on the bottom and the top. I just go along of how my eyebrows are already arched too. Got my point, and then I bring it on down. Bring it on down. Now bring it on down. Color it in, shade it in. All I did was just draw it along with my eyebrows already. Let's go on the right side. You want to put a little line here, line on the top. Go down, you see what I'm doing? I won't talk too much. Something I noticed, if you smile while you're doing your eyebrows, it makes your eyebrows go up. And you want that arch. But if you don't want to arch like that, you're gonna look mean. Okay. I'm smiling because I want that arch. I don't believe I smiled on the other one because I could see where I messed up. Next thing, at the beginning, I've already put on the primer. I kind of let that sit for like 3 minutes also. That's the first tip if you want them to come on smoothly. All right. Here's the concealer. Get it right up under the line of your eyebrow. Okay. Now we look crazy, but this is what I do every morning. All right, get your sponge. Gonna dab up under it. It's okay to do it around your eye because you might put on some foundation on top of this. I'm gonna show you when you mess up right there what you're supposed to do. All right, where I messed up, just draw it back. All right, it's blended in. Okay, this is the time you use your eyebrows, your Q-tips. You're gonna go at the beginning and like dab also. Go to the left one. I'm turning over to use the other side. Dab in it. I'm showing you what might happen when it's your first time. And I'm glad it's doing this so I can show you what you'll do. Because nobody's perfect. Even I mess up sometimes. This is where I use my finger. I start wiping it at the beginning. Use the other Q-tip that we haven't used yet and erase. Because you want your eyebrows to come in where your eye is. And my eye is in here, not in there. So I am doing that. Get my finger, move it back some. Erase. Well, I like it to look faded at the beginning. Now, if I took too much off, I'm gonna come in here. See where I erased the concealer a little bit? You're gonna put it back up there at the beginning. Okay, get your sponge, just dab it. All right, you have your eyebrows, okay? My next step that I like to do with my foundation, you don't have to do this. I use my sponge with the foundation that I'm using and dab it on here so it could just blend in and look a little better. Dab. Alrighty. I'm gonna fix something. Where's my other? Oh, here we go. We didn't use too much on this one. You don't want too much. Looked like it was all the way up, like surprise. You can go back and fix it. You see how I just fixed it? I just draw back on it. All right. And there you go. Thank you.